Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Redbubble. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you have downloaded in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Opera, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So, whenever you open your browser, just go to this URL section and simply type redbubble.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Redbubble website. So here you'll have simply to click on login so you can log in into your account if you have an account, and simply enter your email username and then password so you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up so you can create an account. As you can see, you can create an account as a customer or as an artist. So choose whatever suits you, then simply enter your email, username, and password, and then click on sign up. So once you're logged in or you create your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen of the Redbubble. Here you'll find a lot of products for yourself in this For You page. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to cancel an order on Redbubble. So to cancel your full order and receive a refund, you have 2 hours after placing your order to contact the customer support. Because orders cannot be cancelled after these 2 hours or after they're being shipped. But of course, you can request an exchange if you would like to change the size, the color, or the style of one of the products that you bought. And as I said, you can cancel it, but just in the range of the first 2 hours after you placed your order. After that, you will not be able to. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.